Welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to look into how do we see things. The eyes are located within the eye sockets. Each eye is in the form of a ball called eyeball, which measures about 2.5 centimeter in diameter. During the image formation in our eyes, firstly the light falls on the object. An object reflects the light, and this reflected light passes into the eye. Firstly, the light falls on the cornea, and cornea reflects back some of the light. And after the cornea, the light reaches to aqueous humor, then iris, then pupil, then lens. And after the lens, the light reaches to vitreous humor, and the light finally the light falls on the retina. In the retina, we have specialized cells called rods and cones, and retina is also a place where the image is formed. Tuga. And in the retina, we have rods and cones, which sends the message to optic nerves. Finally, optic nerves carries the message to brain, and brain interpret the information, interpret the image. Tuga. This is how the light passes into your eyes and form an image on the retina. Tuga. First, the light falls on the cornea, then passes to aqueous humor, then iris, pupil, then lens, then vitreous humor, then finally light falls on the retina, and in the retina the image is formed. And in the retina we have rods and cones, and rods and cones sends the message to optic nerves, and finally the optic nerves carries the message to brain, and brain interpret the information, interpret the image. Tuga. Okay, let's see one example. Tuga. The nalu, the light falls on the object, that is butt, and the light is reflected, and the reflected light is passes into the eye. Firstly, the light travels from cornea, and after cornea, aqueous humor, then iris, pupil, then lens. Lens converts the light, and after that the light passes to vitreous humor, then finally light falls on the retina. In the retina the image is formed. Tuga. The image formed on the retina is inverted. Tuga. In the retina we have rods and cones, which sends the message to optic nerves. Finally optic nerves carries the message to brain, and brain interpret the information, interpret the image. Tuga. Now the and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you in the next video. Tuga. Thank you.